Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be the first observatory vlog that comes from a room that isn't downstairs in the library. We are down here below the telescope, if you guys want to see it. There it is. That's the Ritchie telescope, first time on my channel. Anyways, we're down here below working on the pier. Over here, we have all the electrical components that we are currently rewiring. We've got a whole new system that we're installing that I've talked about previously in some other videos. But the Max Dome controller will be mounted on this post. It will control, it's kind of hard to see. Right behind this post is a DC motor. It's about 600 watts. It will control that. And then everything we're wiring in will power the rotation of this system. Currently, we have to splice in on these boxes here. So this small box is the hand controller. So this allows us to manually move the dome left and right. That will be interfaced in the new system, but it's only going to be a backup. And then this board right here will then be plugged into the Max Dome card, and that will directly interface with the motor here. So it will be sending a signal from the Max Dome card to this board, and then from this board it will be bumped up in voltage to 60 volts, so this guy can then turn or can power this motor, tell it to go left or right, and it'll turn this motor right here, and the gear is right behind this shaft. So that's going to be super exciting. And then let's go up top. So this is the Ritchie telescope. Aperture of 27.5 inches, focal ratio of 3.9. This thing's a beast. And we're finally going to be able to take pictures and long exposures all night long now that we're having this automation system put in. The next step is going to be this shutter. This shutter right here is currently you have to plug it in. You see right here there's this little trap door, and you have to plug in the 2 power cables and the 2 other data cables. So it's like the relays. So that's 4 cables total, and we have to do that every night. And so we can't wait to get this automated. That's going to be a much harder task because it has to get plugged in through batteries, and it's a wireless system. So this requires significantly more engineering than the one we're currently installing, which is just going to be an update to the old system that we were using. We're just plug and playing. It's harder than plug and play. It's a significant amount of effort because you still have to solder all the wires, connect them up, but that's going to be really exciting. So we're really excited to start imaging with this. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if we can get this figured out tonight. We're going to be doing a live stream from the Ritchie. We've got good weather coming up. You can step outside for you guys to see. Finally, we have some clear weather. It's not perfect by any means, but we're excited to hopefully be doing some live streams right here from the observatory. So anyways, stay tuned and make sure you're watching, because we're really excited to start having some serious content coming out. Lots of cool stuff, especially since the winter targets are going to be popping up. If you're curious, this is where we have the all-sky camera usually mounted, right here on this roof. Currently it's sitting on the window shelf in there. And then here's our weather station. This is where we get all of our weather data from. You can see it's kind of windy right now, but very cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.